Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can unlock your Cash App Cash Card. So let's get right into it. Now, I will be using this Quora article because I don't have access to Cash App myself, but it should be quite enough since it's a very short and simple process. Now, what you need to do to activate it, and after you do activate it, you will get the card, which you can use as a Visa debit card. And what you need to do to activate it is, of course, you need to go into Cash App and log into your account, and then once you're there, you just need to go into your Cash Card menu. That's the icon that's second from the left at the very bottom. It looks like a card icon, so just click on that, and then you'll be in the Cash Card options. Here you can tap Activate Card, and you just need to follow the instructions to verify your identity, and then you just need to enter your name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. And after you've accepted the card, or after you've applied for it, it will take a short time, but if you're in good standing, it should happen almost immediately. And then once that's done, you will get your card shipped to you. And to activate it, once you get it, you just need to go into the QR and scan the QR on the card itself or within the package of the card arrived in. And once you've activated everything, you'll be able to use it anywhere where Visa is accepted as a payment method. And that is pretty much it. As I've mentioned before, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys myself because of course I'm not in the US. I'm region locked, so I don't have access to Cash App, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.